Welcome to video 13.1b, write equations of lines. So this is example 1. Given a line 2x minus 5y equals 10, do these various steps. I'll do the next two in the next video to save room. All right, first, find the x and y intercepts. All right, so this is how I do it. So for the x-intercept, I know that the y value is 0, and I want to solve for x. All right, so I just go to this equation right here and set y equal to 0 and solve for x. What I really do is, if y is 0, I can just cover that up and solve it, but I'll just show you algebraically. It would be 2 times x minus 5 times 0 equals 10. 5 times 0 is 0. So it's really 2x equals 10, or x equals 5. So the x-intercept is 5, or if you want to write 5, 0. So for the y-intercept, just circle that answer. For the y-intercept, the x-coordinate will be 0. So I say x equals 0, and I say, to who is the value of y? Again, in real life, I would just cover that up, but to show you algebraically, I'm going to write 2 times 0 minus 5 times y equals 10. There you can see I've got minus 5y equals 10. Perhaps you can do that in your head, negative 2. So the y-intercept would be negative 2. Or 0, negative 2 if you want to write it as a coordinate. I prefer to write it that way. Okay, part B. Convert this equation, which is in standard form, to slope-intercept form. Basically get y by itself. Y equals mx plus b is what we're looking for. All right, so I'll just rewrite it. I've got 2x minus 5y equals 10. I'll subtract 2x from each side and get minus 5y equals minus 2x plus 10. And then what I'm going to do is divide each and every term by minus 5. All right, so divide this by minus 5, this by minus 5, and that by minus 5. And I will obtain y equals, I'm going to write it as 2/5 multiplied by x, that's the slope times x, minus 2. Notice you can't just divide the whole side by negative 5. We need a number times x plus or minus a number. All right, now graph the line. Well, I can graph the line in two different ways, by using the intercepts or by using the slope-intercept form. And I'll show you how they're both really the same. So for the line, I'll make an axis. So I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll show you how to do it with the intercepts first. The x-intercept was 5. For 5, the y-intercept was negative 2. So I'll use a different color. So I'll plot the x-intercept at 5, the y-intercept at negative 2, and just connect those 2 points to form a line. Another way of doing it would have been to use the slope-intercept form. The y-intercept is negative 2. The slope is 2 over 5. Remember, that's the rise over the run. So this is the rise, and that is the run. So I start from that point, negative 2. I go up 2 units and over 5 units. And then I connect the points to make a line. So either way. And I'll finish the next 2 subparts in the next video. So there you have it, how to write equations of lines.